Hey guys, so we're taking a first look at the ASUS TUF Gaming A18 at ASUS's booth in Computex 2025. Now this could very well be the first affordable 18-inch gaming laptop in the market because this is the TUF Gaming series, and we all know that TUF Gaming series offer great value and good performance. Now in terms of performance, since this is the A18, obviously it is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor, and graphics is supported up to an RTX 5070 laptop GPU. Now let's take a look at the hardware of this laptop. So we are seeing a very nice 18-inch 2.5K resolution 240Hz screen that supports 100% DCI-P3 color space, and it even has NVIDIA G-Sync supported. Now, I'm assuming that this is only available on the higher specs of this laptop when it gets released, but nonetheless, it is very impressive that we are getting such nice premium features on the TUF Gaming A18. Now, in terms of its other features, look at this keyboard. We're still getting this same keys that we got on ASUS TUF Gaming laptops. The trackpad is pretty big, and the trackpad is not as mushy as I think as it is as before. And in terms of ports, we are getting two USB-A ports on the right, and also two USB-C ports, and one more USB-A port as well as a gigabit Ethernet. But overall, it is a very complete 18-inch laptop that I think that would be a good desktop replacement. And let's take a look at the front. It's pretty clean. Nothing special. Got this simple TUF branding here. Nothing too crazy right here. It's pretty nice. Alright, so that's the first look at the ASUS TUF Gaming A18. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.